Zhenjia Machinery Company Limited has specialized in high-frequency welding machine and automatic equipment technology for 19 years. We are a milling of research and development, producing, sales, and after-sales manufacturers. We have high-precision mill CNC processing machine and other equipment for customers to produce high-frequency melt, ultrasonic melt, and blister backlight melt superior services. Our cooperation manufacturers have Hisense, Shenzhen DJI Innovations, Foshan Electric Lighting Company, and other well-known enterprises. The quality of our machine has passed Europe CE and ISO quality certification. We have our own brand, Zhenjia, and obtained multi-term national patents.